Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. Today we will be discussing on maps. Definition of map, colors in the map, types of map, cardinal directions and latitude and longitude. Definition of maps. Maps give directions and show specific details of areas. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappa, which means sheet or napkin. Map represents the whole of the surface of the earth or part of it. It is a drawing on the flat surface. A map is a flattened globe. Gerardus Mercator was the first person to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book in 16th century. A book of maps is called Atlas. Let us now discuss on the colors in the map. Map uses different colors to depict different landforms and water bodies. Green refers to plain areas. Yellow refers to deserts and mountains. Brown refers to highlands. On the other hand, blue refers to oceans and other water bodies. Let us now see types of maps. There are basically three types of maps: political map, physical map, and thematic map. Political map shows political features like capital cities and major towns. On the other hand, physical map shows physical features like mountains, forest, rivers, seas, oceans. Thematic map shows special features of an area. It shows rainfall, vegetation, location of industries of the country. Let us now see what is direction. Directions are very important to study maps. They are used to correctly locate a map. We have four major directions. They are north, east, south, and west. We do also have four sub-directions as well. We have northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Let us now discuss on latitude and longitudes. The horizontal imaginary line that tells the location of north or south of the equator is called latitude. Longitude, on the other hand, is an imaginary line that tells the location east or west of the primary meridian. Do you know, kids? Both latitude and longitude are measured in degrees. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.